Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about Python for loop. So here we have some examples. The first example is for I in range 1 5 and print I. So here we have a range from 1 to 5. In Python language it will not get the answers 1 2 3 4 5. In Python language I will get the answers from 1 to 4. So when I run code, here we have 1 2 3 4. And the next example is for I in range 1 comma 6 comma 2. When I print I got the answers 1 3 5 because we have a gap here. 2 it will work for as a difference. So here we have 1 3 5. I hope the concepts is clear. The next example is here we have for I in range 1 comma 5 print hello world. So it will get the result hello world 4 times. 1 to 5. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go to PyCharms and here I will type here. For example, for I in range 1 comma 5 colon print I. When I go to run, so here I have 1 2 3 4. For I in range 1 comma 5 colon is very important, otherwise you will get the error. So after print I. So very easy. Here you can type here 2 comma 5, then you will get the answers 2 3 4. So similarly if you will type here 3 comma 5, then you will get the answer 3 4. So the next is for I in range 1 comma 6 comma 2. So 2 as a difference between 1 to 6. Print I. When I go to run code, here we have 1 3 5 because 2 as a difference. In Python language we will type here 1 comma 6 comma 2. It means that 1 to 5, but the difference will be 2. So the next is we will type here 1 comma 5 colon is very important, print. Here I will type here hello world. When I click on run button, then it will got the answers hello world 4 times. So the next is here we have a few examples of Python while loop. So it is also very easy. Don't get confused because you will if you will keep practicing you can get so the practice makes a man perfect. So here we have n equal to 1. So why I type here n equal to 1? Because it will start from 1. If you want to type here 2, then it will start from 2. Similarly 3 4 5. And here we want start from 1, but we want till 5 values from 1 to 5. So here we type here while n less than equal to 5 colon, then print n. It is also very important, n plus equal to 1. When I run code, then I got the answers from 1 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Similarly, if n equal to 1 and while n less than equal to 5, same, and print n, here we want the difference 2. So here I type here n plus equal to 2. When I run code, I got the answers 1 3 5 because the difference between 1 to 3 is 2. So let's start on PyCharm. here I will type here n equal to 1 because it will start from 1, and less than equal to 5 colon print n, and then n plus equal 1. So when I run code, I got the answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I type here 1. If you want to type here 2, so I got the answers from 2 to 5. So the next is the difference between 2. So here we simply type here as it is, and then n plus equal to 1. So here I will type here 2 instead of 1. So when I run code, I got the answers 1, 3, 5. And here you can type here 10. If you type here 10, there you got the answers here, because 10 is 5. Why it is 5? Because the difference is 2, 1, 3, 5. But here if I will type here 11, then I run code, I got the answer is 11. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Because the difference is 1 to 3 is 2, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. And similarly, if you want to start from 2, then you will get these answers 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So the next example is Python while loop. Okay, how to type a table of 2? It is very easy. We need to find a table of 2. We create a integer. For example, n equal to 1, and then a equal to int input, enter a number, and then while n less than equal to 4, because here we want to start from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1 to 4 numbers, and print. So what can I do now? We will type here print a, first a comma x inside double quotation marks, comma n comma equal inside quotation marks or double quotation marks, comma n asterisk sign a, and then n plus equal to 1. When I run code, then a is a we just type here what do you want. You want to type here table of 2 or table 3, whatever you want. So here enter a number. They will ask, when you run code, they will ask what number you want. So here enter a number 2, and then I got this table. So let's start in PyCharm. Here first I will type here n equal to 1, and then a equal to whatever you want to type here, a b c d whatever, and then I take an integer and then input, inside enter a number, and here I will type here while n less than equal 4 colon, and then print a comma double quotation marks x, and then comma n comma double quotation marks equal, and then n asterisk sign a, n plus 1 equal 1. There's a mistake here. So when I run code, here I will type here 2. So press enter, then you will got this table. Very easy method. So when I type here 3 and press enter, then I got table of 3. Similarly, if you want to type here 1 to 10 numbers, so here you can type here, and then if I will type here 2, sorry, here, if I will type here 2, then press enter. So here we have table of 2 complete. Wow, so easy.